Hello everyone, I am Vijay Rajan from School of Electronics Engineering. In this video, I am going to tell about how to create website for our personal use. It is the website for our academic profile or career profile. So this is what the content I am going to create in the website: home page, then academic qualification, experience, research, ongoing activities, and contact details. In research field, I can go for sub pages like publications, projects, ongoing projects, and so on. So to create a website, first open your Gmail account. Once the Gmail account is open, then you can go for the sites by typing sites google.com, or it can be selected from this tab Google Apps. You can select sites. So here you go for blank site. So this is the blank site in which we can incorporate whatever the contents you want to add in your profile. First you enter site name, give that as our academic profile, and that in that way. So first we can design our website with respect to background and pages. Then we can add content. So this is the home page. You can change the image of the home page by these options, either upload or select image. In the select image, you can select the images available, or you can add your image and it can be selected. Once it is selected, you can change the header type, whether it is large banner or small banner, like that. Apart from this, these changes, you can go for the changes in the theme. You can select different themes here. Simple theme. You can select colors also, diplomat, and so on. So you can select different themes here. So you can give that content which need to be appeared in our home page. You type your content, accordingly you change it. Once it is done, you can always preview your web page. So this is what your home page, different views in mobile and so on. So if you want to add logo in your first page, logo can be added. Add logo. Here go for upload. So I have VAT logo here, it can be added. Or any other image if you want to add, you can add here. So this is about website design and themes. Now if you want to add pages to your web page, then go to the pages, there add pages. As I told you already, here academic qualification, experience, research, then contact details. If you want to add any other pages, it can be done. Then in research page, I want to have some more pages, so it can be added in this form. Add sub page. So publications, done. Then another sub page, the name of projects. So in publications I can have subtitles like journals, conferences and book chapters. It can be done in different way. So these are the main pages, and in one page I have some sub pages. So this is what the case. So if you want to see all the contents, then always you can go for a view so that you can see different pages. In all these pages you can change the background image just by change image option. Select image. So in that way background of different pages can be changed. Once it is done with, now we can add contents. Go to the home page. Now I can add different contents here. First I want to insert text, some introduction about my parent institution. So already I have some content here, so it can be pasted. Accordingly you can change fonts and so on. So if I want to add gallery or some web page links, say admission link or something, then here I can go for embed. Say admission link. Website can be added. So if it is clicked, it will go to the website. If you want to add some introduction about you, then it can be done. Select your image and give some text here. If you want to add like gallery about anything, then it can be done by using image carousel. Upload image, select images, so it's done. So in the home page I have added some content, then one link by using embed URL. Then I have added my photograph and some text by using layouts. Then this is by using image carousel. Once it is done, you can view your page. So if you click this, it will go to your website. Then here you can see different like gallery. So this is about home page. Now I want to go to academic qualification. So there I want to add my academic qualification and memberships. So I go for a collapsible text. So that is academic profile. So there I want to add these contents. If you want to add any documents or in a PDF, then it can be added by using these buttons, docs, slides and so on. So by using collapsible text, I can add my content here. I want to go for another collapsible text in which I want to have memberships or some other qualification, additional qualification like that. So this is I would like to add. So qualification page is over. Next I want to go for experience. In experience also I can add content whatever I like to add. Then I have research. So in the research page So I can add what I am currently doing. Area of research is watermarking, image cryptography, and so on. Similarly, if you want to add say important links related to my research, so I have some links here pertaining to Scholar, ResearchGate, Bubblons, and so on. So all those things can be pasted here. So it has been pasted like a link, text. So if you want to paste like URL, always you can go for embed. So you insert your Scholar details. So if you don't want to show any details, then you go these settings, disable all these tabs so that your link will be alone. Similarly, even this can be copied. And kept inside this important links text box. That can also be done. So similarly, all URLs can be added. Once it is done, then you can go to subpages. Say in research I want to add publications. So in the publications, say I have told you I have journals and conferences. So go for journals first. Journals, I have something to paste here, so copy those contents and paste. Then it can be aligned according to the format. Then I am going for another format, another collapsible text, conferences. Their list of conferences can be pasted. So journals, conferences. Similarly, you can do for funded projects, consultancy, and so on. So once this is done, then contact details. In contact details, you can give map and all. Map can be included. So by entering your location, you can say Chennai campus. It can be included. Meanwhile, you include one text box. There you can paste your details. So I am almost done with the content I want to add. So home, I have some theoretical content, then URL, image and text, then gallery like things, qualification. There I have different details in the form of collapsible text. Experience can also be done like that. In research, area of research I have given important links such as Scholar, ResearchGate, everything you can enter. In the subpages I have given about publications and projects by using collapsible text. In the contact details, then this map is included, then details have been included. Then in the new pages, sub pages, if you want to, whenever you want to go back home page, then it can be added in the form of a button. You add one button here, name of the button. I want to go back to home, so where it has to be linked to home page. So enter the name of the button, then where you want to go. You give the link, automatically it will pop out. You can select, you insert this, so it will come here. In the view you can see the button. So this button can be included in all sub pages and other pages, so it will automatically go to home page. So once you are done with the content, then you need to go for making your profile public. You can add other editors also. So you go for this tab. You can add some other people with their email address. Enter email address here so that they can also edit. They will become owner. Then here you make this as public. Anyone on the internet can find and open. Then this is for editing. You can leave as such. Anyone on the internet can find and open. If you leave as such, then the people who have been added already can edit your page. So that's all. Now you can publish your entire page. So a name has been given like this. You can give any other name also. So publish. Your page is getting published. Once it is published, if you make any changes, then it is to be published again, then only it will be saved. Here I have some examples. So this is navigation. Then if you change navigation to side, all your web page titles will come to side. So this is what happens. See here, it will come by this side. So if you don't want to do that, always you can undo, so that it will come in the top. Then if you want to add any images, brand images like logo, it can be done here. Then this is like icons and anything, custom URLs. If you want to add your profile page to your school faculty profile, it can be done here. You add the domain name or the web page in which your profile is to be added, then there you have to add this web page link. So in that way it can be opened. Analytics, give ID here. This is the format. In this format, if you give some ID, then you can analyze how many viewers are able to view your page and all. If you give ID, then it can be enabled. Then this is announcement banner. Like any announcement can be given. Open for collaborative research. So home page, all pages, home page only. In that way you can select options. So once it is done, then this announcement will come here. So if you make changes, you publish it. Okay, showing the previous page and present page, then you can publish. Once it is done with, you can copy the link here, copy published site link. You can copy the link, copy link. That's all. So thank you for patient listening. Thank you.